This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Paul Davis Restoration and Home Remodeling.
Well, CoastLife, one of my favorite things about getting to do this show every day is sharing the love of giving that so many individuals and business owners have here along coastal Delmarva. And it is that time of year again where our friends at Paul Davis Restoration want to give away a kitchen to one lucky winner. So we're hanging out with Brian Rush, Chief Operations Officer of Paul Davis Restoration. And I mean, here we are again. You guys have another kitchen to give away. What is it that makes you so excited to do this year after year?
Getting to see the expressions of people's faces when we give it away.
Yeah.
So the customer we're going to give it to, I'm sure is going to be very excited, but to see their raw expression when you get to give something away that they weren't anticipating makes it all worth it.
You get to always deliver the good news, right? I mean, not only are they a winner, but they're winning something pretty big, a kitchen makeover. And you guys do this, I mean, again, year after year, and it's a pretty big operation to pull off too. So pretty much as soon as we're done here, can people start putting their name in the running for next year's giveaway?
Absolutely. So 1,400 applicants or people went into the drawing. One lucky contestant won it. And but no, start right away. There's you're signing up because there's a need in the home, and we want to be able to give that one lucky person their dream kitchen. So that's what we get to do today.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's something that speaks to you guys as a business. I mean, we've talked to you from many different angles about the generosity that you guys have in serving the community, and this is kind of just one more way that you do it. Why is that so important to you guys?
I think what you said is the word blessing. You know, we're sitting here near Thanksgiving, and we do like to go ahead and give back to the community. One of the ways we give back is by something that somebody really, really wants or really, really needs. Maybe it's not the right time, they don't have the money. So we get to bless somebody, and there's no better feeling than to go ahead and give back to needing people that are in their time of need. So that's what we do.
Perfect. Well, why don't we let the blessings begin and go inform the winner that they are, in fact, a winner.
Let's go.
That raw emotion that Brian Rush likes to see when they give one lucky person the news that they'll be the winner of a kitchen remodel was worn loud and clear by Connie Pusey as we got to hand her and her husband that big check.
All right, and from what I understand, you have not won anything before.
No.
Which this is a pretty big deal.
This is a very big deal.
Well,
I am beyond grateful, blessed. I can't believe this.
Well, you definitely deserve this, Connie. And from what I hear too is around 1,400 entries, and Connie's name gets picked.
Wow.
How do you feel about that, Connie?
I don't know. I guess I have a guardian angel smiling down on me. Probably my son. But, I'm without words, really.
Yeah.
I just can't believe this has happened.
Well, I know we kind of talked about it a little bit behind the scenes, but do you have any vision or thoughts on what you want to do with this kitchen remodel?
Well, when the gentleman came out to look at what we had, I basically said I pretty much like the way the layout of the kitchen is. I have a lot of counter space, a lot of cupboard space. So I'm basically just looking to have the cabinets, like maybe what they call resurfaced or repainted or however the technical term for it is, just to kind of give it a little boost.
Yeah.
Not anything like totally like rip anything too much out or anything, just because I like the way this kitchen is.
It's cozy, it's cute, it's fun. So just a little update here and there.
An update.
A little bit of a modernize.
Because like I said, we've been in the house 25 years and we've never done anything other than paint the wall in the kitchen a couple times. But no, this is just beyond my expectations, really. I can't tell you how excited I am.
Oh, well, we are so excited for you too, Connie. And don't forget, I mean, pretty much as soon as this contest wraps up over at Paul Davis Restoration, they already start taking entries for next year's contest. So you could be the next Connie here.
Yes, I encourage everyone, if you, take a chance. That's basically what I did. I entered, I thought, hey, somebody's got to win.
Somebody's got to win. It might as well be you. You certainly can't win if you don't enter, right?
Yeah, it's like playing the lottery. If you don't buy a ticket, you don't win. So
there you go.
I took a chance.
There you go. Well, Connie, thank you so much for letting us in your house today. And congratulations again.
Thank you.
And I know we'll be back to see all the updates.
Yes, please. I when it's all said and done, absolutely. Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, Connie, thank you again, and congratulations again.
Thank you, Leah. I appreciate it.
We've got more Coast Life coming at you. More fun on the way.